Good morning. Today we're going to start sequences and series. It's chapter 8 of your textbook. So you're currently looking at the formula sheet that's on your Regents. So you're going to see this in the back of the Regents book. You'll be able to pull it out and be able to use it. So what we're going to focus on is the arithmetic, geometric, and sequences and the geometric series. These three formulas. Those are the three that will be on the sheet. But there are others you have to know. All right, so let's go to some notes. Okay, first, an arithmetic sequence. The same amount is either added or subtracted from the previous number. Example, 3, 5, and 9. Notice 2 is added to the previous number, so 2 is the common difference. We use the letter D, lowercase d. The explicit formula for the arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. Therefore, for this sequence, the explicit formula is a sub n equals 3 plus 2 times n minus 1. The recursive formula for the arithmetic sequence has to include a sub 1. So you tell me what the first term is, and then you write the second equation. You have to have two equations for the recursive formula. For this sequence, it would be a sub 1 equals 3, a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 2. Geometric sequence is when each term in the sequence is multiplied by the same number. Since the common number must be a ratio, we say it's a common ratio. So you have 2, 4, 8, 16. Notice that you're being multiplied by 2. This is the explicit formula. Okay. And then you have the recursive. Again, you use two equations for that. A series is the sum of a sequence. So the formula for the sum of a geometric sequence is this. And the formula for the sum of the arithmetic sequence is this. The second one for the arithmetic sequence is not on the formula sheet. You just need to memorize it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to bring you over here. Today you're going to watch a video online. This comes from the Regents, but notice that the explicit formula right here and the explicit formula for both the arithmetic and the geometric is given to you, so you don't have to memorize that. So is the geometric series formula. But what's not given is the recursive formulas, and what's not given is the arithmetic series formula. Now, some of you have been asking for more review work. This site is Regents, New York State Regents. I'll put the link on Classroom. And this is the January 23, 2020. So this was the latest exam just given. You can start this exam. I will put a note about which questions you can and cannot answer depending on topics that we covered. So I'll be putting that on Google Classroom as well. So you can do that. But even if you don't do the whole thing, just make sure you take a look at it so you get familiar with how the Regents is going to be set up. All right? All right, with that said, I want you to go now to the video that I gave you. It's on Edpuzzle, so I'll know that you reviewed the video. Do the worksheet that's there, and take a picture of your worksheet and post it on Classroom. Thank you, and have a good day.